Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Here's made a short video. I was having some problems with a 1200 watt Ebikeling controller. It was giving a real rough startup. Sometimes it would kind of pulse or have like a little dead spot on startup. So I was going to order a new controller. I just figured I'd open it up and see. I thought I was going to find the MOSFET bad, but I kind of I wrung it out before I started, took some readings. It all seemed like it was fine. So I figured I'll open it up. It's going to be hard to see here. I have an up close picture I'll post, but there was a spot right here on the circuit board. You can see where right almost looked like a bubbled up area there. So I had already cleaned it up, but with some rubbing alcohol just to get in there and see a little bit better. It's really hard to see. It's small. It's even hard for my eyes to see. That's why I can kind of take a picture and zoom in there. But there's definitely a spot here where you can see the stripping underneath kind of started bubbling up. So I'm going to give it a shot, see if I can clean it up and put a jumper in there and then coat it up. So like I said, I will attach a close-up picture so you can see the area I was talking about. I'll try to get it in there. I doubt you're going to be able to see this. But right in here, you can see where it gets silver, where it's supposed to be green here. Right there in that area, both of those. So I'll give this a shot. I'm going to try to clean it up, see if I can expose both sides of that. Maybe I'm going to kind of lightly sand down through the green layer, because I figured, what the hell, it's, you know, I was going to order a new one anyway, so if I could fix it, I won't have to order one. So let's give this a shot. All right, so what I got here, I got a little sandpaper here. It's 120 grit. I'm going to try to wrap a little piece around a nice little eraser. So I kind of want it precise. I just want to kind of work a little area. So give that a shot, see how that works. Actually looks like it's still intact. I'm gonna take a picture up close and just see, make sure it looks all right. I can even probably take a continuity measurement. By eye it looks like it's intact, but this might be a way to see it too. There might not be even any breaks. I might just have to put a little coating over top it to insulate it and give this thing a shot. Actually, I'll pause it. I'm going to go take a picture of it up close. All right. I got it all looked up close, rang it out. Looks like it's good. So I'm just going to put got a nice hot glue gun. I'm just going to drip a little bit of that, just let it settle right over top, just to kind of insulate the three apart. I've used it before, just in some quick fixes, trying it. But let's see what happens here. Let's cover the whole area. Okay. That's good. This doesn't touch the bottom, so the glue is not going to interfere with anything. If anything, the solder joints you see on there are actually stand off farther than that glue does. But like I said, when you slide it into this channel, it keeps the board up, so it won't touch the bottom. You slide it back together. This is the reassembly. Nope. This way. I'm gonna get them all started. All right, I'll hook it up, try it, and we'll test it out. All right, I just temporarily hooked it up. Just threw it on a frame just to hold it for me. Just hook the controller up. There's a battery. I just put an old 810 display on here and a little thumb throttle. Let's see what happens. Seems like it's taking off a little better now. Real test will be getting it on the road, but all right. Well, seems like it's running a little smoother. Sounds better. Starts right up. So, like I said, I'll throw it back on the bike it belongs on and take it for a ride. But other than that, it seems like I got it. See, you'd be surprised. Sometimes you can open something up and be able to see something. Sometimes, I mean, it's actually MOSFET bad or diode bad or capacitor, but you never know. You can't really see. I just got lucky and kind of opened that up and seen a spot and figured try to clean it up and cover it. So seems like it may have paid off. All right, well, thanks for watching. And please, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to see more. All right, thanks for watching.